What's up, guys? I'm Alan Branch, Carolina Fitness, and today I'm looking at the Dyna Sissy squat platform. So don't let the name fool you. Guys, it's a great way to get your leg work in and emphasize a great form at the same time. So I'm gonna go ahead and step in, and I want you to notice that I can adjust the height of the bar behind my knees up and down, and then I can just push the butt back and go through that perfect squat motion. So it allows me to really push those hips back, really get perfect range, come up, and you feel this quad start to burn automatically. This would be great. Dumbbells in hand, maybe some light isometric holds at the bottom, some super slow type reps, or even if you wanted to kind of just pump them out, the Sissy squat really does help with maintaining the right form, keeping your balance, and giving you kind of a different twist to your leg workout. That's the Dyna Sissy squat. Hopefully nobody calls me a sissy for using it. Sure don't feel like one with the leg workout. See you next time.